first graders. It is Tuesday, time for your asynchronous reading lesson. Now, it kind of looks similar to yesterday. We begin with the same grammar song. So you're going to go to Wonders in your HSD2 portal. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1 and then this Assignments button, and you're looking for the grammar song. Let's listen to that song one more time. And then you're going to complete this activity. So it looks like this. This says Mechanics Activity for sentences. So it's a little different. It's a little bit more difficult. So when you open that, it's going to look like this. It says find the errors, like yesterday. Select the word that needs to be changed or that needs punctuation after it. Then choose the proofreading symbol that will fix the error. So for instance, I learned in that sentences grammar song that the first letter in a sentence needs to be capitalized. So this is your uppercase button, uppercase. And it already has a period, so I'm good. A map is in my bag. Yep, that looks good. Everything's spelled correctly as well. She can take a nap. There's a period, but the first letter is not capitalized, so I'm going to make that uppercase. Let's do a check.
Fantastic.
They look good. There are 25 for you to do. Do them as best you can. Use that check button to help monitor how well you are completing things. Once you're done with that activity, come back and go to the Lumio B button, because today you have a quiz on all the things that you've learned over the past couple of weeks. So when you go to Lumio, I'll be reading questions out loud, and you'll be bubbling in various answers. It'll look like this. I want to show you what I mean by bubbling. The directions will be read aloud, so if you push the play button, I'll read each slide just like normal. Starts with a story, and then you have some questions to answer here. So you click Student Progress. I read that story out loud for you after you do the class ID, and you'll be able to bubble in the various answers. Okay, humans? You'll be great. I know you will. Tests are my favorite because then I get to show how awesome and smart I am. That is all for today. Have a great rest of your day.